Meaning of hairstyle.
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 Hairstyle. Hairstyle refers to the way someone's hair is arranged or styled. It encompasses a wide range of hairdos, from short cuts to long, flowing locks, and includes everything in between. Hairstyles can be shaped by factors such as cultural norms, fashion trends, personal preference, and facial features. Styling techniques also vary widely, including braids, curls, straightening, and coloring. Hair can be an important part of one's personal style and self-expression, and the right hairstyle can have a significant impact on appearance and confidence.